Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of April 5th through the 11th. I am using this kit that I've had for a very long time from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. It's called Serenity. So cute and very spring-like for sure. So the full boxes, full box checklists, some like functional stuff, headers and little things, date covers, bottom washi, weekly box, bunch of icons, checklists, some more functional stuff, glitter headers, washi strips, and then the icons page. So I have a ton of things. I'm not going to use everything. My cat is trying to knock down all my lights right now, so that's super fun. But we're just going to manage. So my plan, I'm going to use these guys. And I'm going to use these guys, and I'm going to use these guys. I did not pull any date dots because I just didn't. It did not happen. So I'm just going to write in with my IHO 0.38, fill in the dates, stick down the bottom washi, stick down these headers. I'm probably going to skip, like make the blue the middle one and use less of it because I feel like that's the color that's here the most. Then do the full box checklists down here at the bottom under the odds and ends headers. I'm going to do all those things. And then come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. All right, so this is where we are right now. I should try to straighten it for you guys. Got the whole base down. I really like how it's looking. I like that these, since the line, like the lines don't line up, I'm glad they like really don't line up. Otherwise that would really annoy me. All right, so for the sidebar, I might use bits and pieces from like a bunch of different sheets. There's no like Instagram icons, so I don't think I have to worry about that. I mean, I could use like the @ for Instagram. I'm just gonna save that, I think. So now I got these all for the sidebar, and then for the full boxes, this one got like a little residue on it, but I feel like it's not that noticeable, so I think it's fine. I think I'm gonna use this guy as my like quote box. Is that even straight? I feel like it was like not quite straight. I feel like I'm probably making it worse right now. All right, there we go. And then I'm going to use this one as my like Thursday. All right, so then I feel like those two, these two, and these two are kind of like how it goes. I think let's do the big flowers first. I don't know if it actually matters, but whatever. Big flowers. Then I'm going to do the birds. Yeah, sure. I don't love that these two backgrounds are kind of similar, but I feel like they're enough different that it's fine. And then I'm going to do it like this, I think. All right, Caitlin was a thank you for your service. That page is done. All right, So that is looking super cute, I feel like. All right, now for the sidebar. What are my headers? To do today, odds and ends, this week, work, school, and dinners. I'm gonna use the this week one. Stick that in first. Okay, there we go. And then I have a habit tracker. That goes next. And then I have in here, you guys know the drill by now, my Instagram icons from Piper Paper Company. Coupon code down below if you are interested. It's 20% off. So definitely use that. Let's see. Kind of like maybe the brighter pink color. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right. And I can put this guy back. We don't need it anymore. All right. So there's that. Then next up, how much space do I have? I don't think I have space for one of these and one of these. Ooh, I actually do. Okay. So I'm gonna just stick this right under here because this also applies to like this week, as in things I've gotta get done. So use that, and then I'm gonna do the dinners one. I like to track my dinners. I do have a wellness planner that tracks all my food, as well as my exercise and all that stuff. Oh, thank you for your service. Another page done. And then I'm going to take this one off. Again, thank you for your service. Another page done. It's like very satisfying to like finish full pages. Anyone else feel like that? All right, there's that done. I'm like throwing things on the floor. All right, I got everything back. We're good. I'm just gonna use some washi down here, I think. I feel like maybe this whitest strip right here. Yeah, that's like perfect. All right, so that's done and dealt with. Really liking my sidebar. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Okay, so that is done. Now we move on to the weekly pages. I realized I forgot to put down the weekend banner. I'm just gonna do that when we turn the page over. Hopefully I will remember. So for my work, my plan is to use some of this like deco. I'm just dropping things to mark work. Not anything like super exciting or anything like that, but I think that'll look cute. So I plan to use like 2 birds and 3 flowers, but that means it's gonna like line up here. So do I use 3 birds? Sure. I feel like I'm overthinking this. Anyone else feel like they overthink these things? All right, I'm just gonna go with it. Bird, and then maybe this flower. It's pretty cute. Sure, why not? Then maybe the little birdie family. And then we turn over the page. So I'm just gonna not do anything else for the moment. Okay, so that's for work. It's gonna be a crazy week at work, I think. So probably for the best to let it take a lot of space, basically. And I think that'll be good. Let's see what icons I have. I never remember what icons come in these kits. I don't think that's what I want. Do I want to just use a little thing for my plan with me? Or do I want to use something like bigger? I think I'm going to use my regular icons I frequently use. Again, Piper Paper Company. I'm going to use this peach color because it goes like perfectly with this kit and I just can't resist. So there's that. Okay, Tuesday, I have no idea what else is going on. Wednesday, I have my second COVID vaccine. So somewhere in here, I have like syringes. Yes, these are also from Piper Paper Company. What color do I want to use? The purple's not like an exact match, but it's pretty close. So maybe I will do that. There we go. I just leave work for a little bit of the day. Go get that. Hopefully don't feel terrible afterwards. We'll see how that goes. All right, the second half of the week. Before I forget, I'm going to take this weekend banner and I'm going to put that down. There we go. Because it's just so cute. Cannot resist. All right, what flower do I want to use? Maybe this one. And then another bird. There we go. And that's, at this point, pretty much all I know about the week. So, sorry I'm kind of lame. But, I mean, it is what it is. Pretty used to it by now, I'm sure. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm going to fill in a few things that I know with this iHelp 0.38, and then I will be right back. All right, there we go. That's all I've got right now. I'm calling it just COVID dose number 2. I feel like everyone understands that means the vaccine, right? All right, so that's what I've got. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It is so cute and springy. Perfect, even if this week didn't turn out super springy outside. There was a lot of weather. Anyway, there's a ton of leftovers from the kit as expected. Sarah Elizabeth Prince full kits, I always have tons of leftovers. I have this kind of like functionals and icons page, these functionals, the like icons, deco, etc. Little things and a few headers, and then the glitter headers and some washi strips. So tons of things left over. I throw them in my leftovers and hopefully use them in the future. So if I don't mention it as I go through, it came from that kit, which pretty much everything did actually. The only exceptions are this Instagram icon, the filming script, and this syringe are from Piper Paper Company, and this one is from Creative Cavern Studio, and everything else came from the kit. So it was great use of the kit. Oh, and then this one came from a Hobby Lobby, and this is a Chasing Chels. So a couple other things that I apparently forgot for a moment, but pretty much everything came from the kit. I tried to really use it to its fullest, even if I didn't actually end up using it up. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Tell me what kits you're using, what you think of this kit. Do you also have tons of leftovers when you use full kits? Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.